I have wanted to do this for so long. And this is the only bucket I have, so I don't want to hear shit about it. This vase is so big. Like, it's huge. There are so many more in here than I think people realize. And I want to play with it, but it's not fun to play when I can barely fit my hand in there. So I'm doing it. I'm dumping it. But even though this isn't completely full yet, I feel like it would be wrong to not add all of the leftover trash drills that I'm not going to save. So let's dump this first. Wow, that is a lot of drills. Are you guys ready? This is so heavy. Oh my god. It's now or never. Here we go.
And then TikTok deleted the rest of the footage of me actually playing with it on So Sick of This Damn app so part 2.